Well, it's 5:15, quite late, and amazingly it's not pouring the rain yet. I didn't come over here yesterday because it was bloody awful. There was a marathon race running round here and elsewhere in Milton Keynes. As you can see, they've left all their bottles down there. I don't know who's supposed to pick them up. Obviously not the organisers of the marathon, which I think that's pretty poor. You know what I do, just dump it here then. Not good. A huge number of swifts, swallows and martins have just flown over. There's a few up there still. They just kind of appeared out of nowhere. Incredible. Here comes another lot. There's another pile of bottles up here. I'll tell you what, if I had anything to do with the Parks Trust, I'd make sure these buggers come back and cleared this up. And I wouldn't let them use this park again. That is just unacceptable. Okay, somewhere in here is Mr. Reed Warbler. Not seen him yet, but we'll try. It's also very wet down here. A little bit of localised flooding, I think. Gonna have a quick look on Cormorant Island on the South Lake before I carry on. I found a few more bottles. Perhaps I'll be round with a lorry later. Pick up all their sodding rubbish. Not good. Well, the water's dangerously high around the island. So far the nesting birds appear to be alright. There's oyster catchers are out there. And the swan that's got their nest is sitting tight across there, they're okay. And up above those trees there appears to be quite a few swifts and swallows and house martins flying around. Right, let's go do the North Lake. Oh my goodness, look at that lot. They look like starlings, but it's house martins. There must be a few hundred there. Look at that. Swallows and house martins. Must be a communal roost, I would imagine. Well, there's a bit more rubbish left lying around this bandstand area. I might be missing something here, but why can't the marshals make sure that this rubbish is all picked up? Unacceptable. spoils the enjoyment for other people that visit the park. They should be banned. There's a reed bunting on reeds. Well, this is up the top end of the North Lake by the dam, and I've never seen the dam that full of water before. Well, that rain's had a devastating effect on that swan's nest. Well, there's the two swans from the nest taking refuge on the boat there. This is a field of grass. I guess the river's burst its bank somewhere, just flooded through. Oh, that's a river and a field. Completely burst its bank. Way down there. It's way up to the weir, and the weir is raging. That's the bank where the herons stood fishing a few days ago. Oh my goodness, that's deep. I don't think I've ever seen it this deep before. It's burst its bank all the way across there. That's where I'm going. I've got to get through that somehow. And all the way up here. It's through that. And last time I was here 2 days ago, there were 2 steps showing. And we've got 1 step left. And no wall. Jeez. You can just make out the wall. There. Okay, let's go paddling. Okay, I'll take it slow along the edge. I've got Wellingtons on. And it's nearly up the top of them. It's quite a current. We'll see how we go. Perhaps I better turn this camera off and concentrate on what I'm doing. No, I can't get through there. I got almost to the corner and it was up to the top of my boots. So we'll go around this way. That's quite a big crayfish he's caught there. go around the Pussy Way and there's a bridge just down there. I'll go over that and get back on track. Well, that's the bit I was hoping to come through, but no, I think not. Even the ducks are taken to swimming on the riverbank. Well, there's another pair doing the head waggle. I'm just wondering if maybe they've lost nests with this rain and they're reaffirming their bonding before making another nest. I don't know, I could be totally wrong. Well, this pair of coots ain't bonding, that's for sure. Oh, there's another one joined in. My God, there's 5 of them now. Ooh. I wanted to walk round and look at this nest, this swan's nest, and it's a bit of a state. There's a female come over. I think if she had eggs on there, she's lost them. And she has been sitting on it for a long time. Well, another manky apple, but he's enjoying it. There's a bit of harassment there. And the buzzard's off. There's the river down runs alongside the South Lake, and it's quite a current going there. Well, this is up by the footbridge on the South Lake near the bottom, and the river normally runs from there to there. But it's a little bit flooded today. What was a bit of a reed bed has all but disappeared now. And these brambles are all underwater. Quite a few of them are. I don't know what that rook's eating, but he's enjoying it, whatever it is.